Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful two-color knitting pattern for sweater, baby sweater, cardigan, cap or on any project. This pattern is very easy to knit. From wrong side, it look like this. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 6 stitches. For tutorial, cast on 24 stitches. This is our first base row from the right side. Skip edge stitch. Knit all the stitches. Wrong side, second base row from wrong side. Skip edge stitch. Yarn in back. Knit all the stitches. Purl edge stitch. Now from right side, attach second color yarn, row 1 right side with second color yarn. Skip edge stitch. Now knit 4 stitches with second color yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches purlwise. 1, 2. From here to here, repeat this pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches purlwise. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches purlwise. Knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip edge stitch. Row 2, wrong side. Skip edge stitch. Purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches. 1, 2. From here to here, 6 stitches repeat pattern. Purl 4. Skip 2. Purl 4. Skip 2. Purl 4. Skip last stitch. Row 3, right side with first color yarn. Now knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches purlwise. Knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches purlwise. knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches purlwise, knit 4 stitches, knit edge stitch. Row 4, wrong side, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit all the stitches. Knit skip stitches also. Yarn in back, purl edge stitch. Row 5, right side, with second color yarn, knit 2, skip 2 purlwise. Now knit 4, skip 2 purlwise, knit 4, skip 2 purlwise, knit 4, skip 2 purlwise, in the end knit 2. Row 6, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl 1, skip 2 stitches, purl 4, skip 2 stitches, purl 4, skip 2 stitches, purl 4, skip 2 stitches, in the end purl 2 stitches. Row 7, right side, with first color yarn, knit 2, skip 2, knit 4, skip 2, knit 4, skip 2, knit 4, skip 2, in the end knit 2 stitches. Row 8, wrong side, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit all the stitches. Purl edge stitch. This is 8 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 8 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.